Now, the owner's manual had just a very quick little easy password. I went ahead and changed that password so that I would be protected in case anybody like tried to guess it. So once it's connected to the camera Wi-Fi, that's when you have full access to the app. So now that it's connected, go back to the app and you can actually access anything. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the settings. And for this camera settings, you have a couple of different options. You can do sound recording, which is going to be internal of the vehicle. You can adjust the speaker volume. The video resolution is automatically set to 2K and the video is crystal clear, which I'll show you in just a moment. You can also take care of the timestamp. You can do collision settings. Really, there is so much you can do here. You can change the Wi-Fi, everything, the Wi-Fi code, everything you need. You can also access your loop. So it does a little loop and just kind of connects through it. If you want to take a snapshot, you just do a quick press of the power button to take a snapshot and all those photos are there. This is my garage, but let me show you how beautiful this recording is. Look at that. That's crystal clear. This is just me doing a quick drive around my neighborhood. You can see how beautiful it is. It's so smooth. You can see the little timestamp down there at the bottom left-hand corner. You can pause the video, you can go to home, all while somebody's doing this. So I think it's awesome. And then you can also do like a playback feature underneath your camera files. So if something did happen on your trip, you can actually access it from there. And if you needed just kind of a closer up image, you can go ahead and rotate the camera and then, or your phone, and you can then see everything just a little bit more clear. I absolutely love this camera. I love how clear it is. I love the looping. I love that it comes with the SD card. I love that it comes with a little tool. But most importantly, I love that you don't have to then put the SD card into an SD card reader. All you do is reconnect your phone or a mobile device, whatever you have, to the camera itself when it has the power from your vehicle, and you can literally look at everything that you have recorded. So should you come back to your vehicle and it's been backed into, maybe whatever you have, you can access all of that footage, and it's just absolutely phenomenal. I highly recommend this.